my friends, welcome to the channel. So today we're going to explore this beautiful home. We are in Bastrop, Texas, which is a city in the east of Austin, and at the same time we are around 30 minutes from the downtown and around 30 minutes from the airport. Here where this house is located, we are very close from the principal highway, which is the 71. At least this is the principal here in Bastrop, and at the same time we're very close to shopping centers and restaurants. They are about like 5 minutes from here, and also the grocery store and other stores that we usually go. So there are also around 10 minutes. Even the Bastrop downtown is about 10-12 minutes from here. So I think this location is pretty good because you got kind of the stuff around you, so that way it makes you feel like everything is close. And at the same time, well, I would like to say thank you so much to David Weekley for allowing us to tour one of their house. And here in this subdivision, the name is The Colony. So The Colony is this subdivision built with other builders, and at the same time it's a master plan where they not only have like, you know, recreation spaces like courts or playgrounds, green areas, walking spaces. That way also has a dog parks, and at the same time we got an elementary school inside of the subdivision. So I think it's fantastic. It's super well organized, really well designed, super green. It's very clean. I don't know, but driving around here I love it. You should guys come here and visit it because I think it's really well designed. And well, let's start. And I would like to say that at the end of the video we're going to check the numbers of the house. That means that we're going to see what is the HOA, what are the taxes, and an example of how much my monthly payment will be. But remember, it will be an example because the real number will be with your mortgage broker. So let's start. Okay, my friends, so let's start this tour here from the outside, so that way you can see how the neighborhood looks, the green areas, the walk inside, and also you can see how the neighborhood looks, because as you can see all the houses, well, they are built recently. And as like I was saying, we are here in Bastrop, and this phase of this house, well, this house is already built, but if you would like to build this floor plan again, you can change or you can decide which phase would you like for your house, because there are two more options besides the one we just saw. Now here, as soon as we enter, we're going to see the hallway and the 2 bedrooms and 1 full bath. But let's go inside so that way we see how big are these bedrooms. As we can see, this one has a big window. It also has carpet, and at the same time I would like to say that maybe the maximum size for a bed here will be a queen, in my opinion. And nice because we also have 1 closet there. Now as we check here the bathroom, I like to point that David Weekley, I really love this building because they usually give you the house like turnkey house, light fixtures ready, accessories are ready, floor is ready, everything is ready, because I have seen other builders that they don't give you that, and this one give you everything. So I love that. And here we are in the 2nd bedroom, and as we can see, they are almost the same size. Remember, if you would like to know exactly all the measurements from these bedrooms, well, let me know. We can contact the builder and ask them, because they are the one who have that information. And here we have the bathroom. This is also an upgrade that you can well add it, or maybe have your house without that, depending on what would you like. And here in the laundry room, we can see some cabinets up there, all the connection for the laundry, well, yeah, for the laundry machines, the washer and the dryer. Right next to that is where we're going to find the garage, and I would like to come here inside because usually some builders has some features in the garage, other ones not. Like for example, this one does. It got the motor up there to open and close the garage. No, all the builders give you that. David Weekley, they give you that, so I love it. And here we also have the sprinkle system, which is pretty cool because you can program which days would you like it. Usually in Austin, where it's super hot, or Austin area, usually I have seen it's just they turn it on once a week, and those black tubes are for the water system, which I totally recommend it, because the water here in the Austin area it got a lot of minerals, so that way you can protect the plumbing system and also, well, your kidneys at the same time. It's really good idea to have a water filter here, and also for your pet. And now here we're going to see the kitchen. I like the design. Let me know what you think here down below. If you like the open concept like this one, or if you like more like a separate room for the kitchen. In this case, we're going to see these light fixtures, and I think, in my opinion, it's very modern. I have been in other builders houses and I haven't seen that one. Also, we have here the island with this marble countertop, which I really love it. It looks super elegant, and at the same time we have here all these cabinets and the washer machine in the island, so that way we have even more room here around to put our stuff, plates and pots, and how many things, all the things that we have in our kitchen. And here is the microwave and oven. Some of these are very modern, and some of these has like Wi-Fi, so you can connect it to your phone. And here we got digital buttons, so it's easier for you to extract the air. And a cool thing to point is that the range is a gas range, so that way you keep that in mind, because sometimes there are builders that have the houses with electric range or gas range. This is the spot for the fridge. Usually new houses doesn't come with fridge. Sometimes they do, sometimes they don't. In this case, well, it's not here. And this is the size of the pantry. Let me know what you think about it, because sometimes there are people who would like even bigger pantries, or sometimes this one is enough. What you think about that, let me know here down below in the comments. And now as we turn here, we're going to see the other spots. Here we're going to find the dining area, and I see that is a good spot. Also, if you see all the lights up there for the light fixture, where there's a really cool and modern design, you're also going to see that one of the lights is not working, and that is a good thing to bring in here, because it's always a good idea to have an inspection, to bring your third-party inspector and see all the details. That sometimes these brand new homes, even though they are super brand new, sometimes there are things that they need to be fixed. And when you can point that with your third-party inspector, then the builder they fix that for you, so that way you have your ready to go house. And this is the space for the living room. Let me know what you think about it. In my opinion, it looks super cool. If you would like any advice in interior designer, here I work in Austin with a great interior designer, and she has really great job, and her prices are very affordable. I think she's super creative, and I always recommend her. And this is the main room. You can easily here place your king bed. And well, here there is an upgrade that you can add if you would like to extend the main room. But remember, it will be in a new lot, because this house is already built. But if you would like to rebuild this floor plan, you can upgrade that. And here is where we're going to find the double vanity sink. We all with the light fixtures. Like I said, David Weekley, they usually give you a ready to go house, and I love that. Look at all the amount of cabinets down there. It's super important to have that, especially in Austin, because we don't have basements. And here is where we're going to find the walk-in shower. Also, if you would like to rebuild this floor plan, there is an option for you to extend this shower, or to have the shower and a bathtub. So it's going to be up to you, but this space right here, you can upgrade it for that, or you can have it for you, so however you like. And now here, as we continue our walk, we finding the main closet. What do you guys think about this size? I think, in my opinion, is pretty cool, because at the same time you can redesign it, and even have more room for more stuff for your house. And here on the left is a great spot to put all your shoes, or maybe the pillows with blankets and sheets and all the stuff that we sometimes don't know where to put it. And it's very important to have those closets and rooms here in Austin, because like I was saying, I used to live in Denver, Colorado, and over there we had the basement, and usually when we didn't know where to put all our stuff, we put it in the basement. But here is like, oh my goodness, where can I put this? And we want to keep the house clean and organized, right? Well, and now here we're going to find the water closet, which is, well, yeah, the room for the toilet, so that way you can have your privacy, and I think that is pretty cool. Not all the houses are coming with that, but I think that's very nice to have it. Let me know what you think. Do you guys like this floor plan, or what is your opinion about it? Do you like the colors? Do you like the design of the doors? Let me know here down below. And now the other thing that I like from here is the extra closet. It's very important. You know, sometimes we don't even know where to put the mop and the vacuums and all of that. So this is a great spot. Of course, it's going to depend on you. Where would you like to put it? But before we finish, let's check here the backyard. Well, here we have the covered patio. This is also an upgrade. The regular floor plan doesn't come with this. You can upgrade it for this covered back patio, or you can even extend it so that way it'll be bigger than this size. But what do you guys think about it? I really love it because, you know, it's important to have the time. Sometimes when the holidays come, the family and friends come, well, we would like to do some barbecues, especially in the hot weather of Austin area. So that doesn't mean that you want to be outside in the hot weather, but not all the year is very hot. It's like probably maybe 3-4 months of the year are hot, like 90s, 100s, but the other time in the year is like 70s. So I really love it. And now look at here the outside. What do you think about it? Well, of course, the outside of each house is going to be different depending on where the lot is located. So because this side of the lot has some inclination, so that way the foundation is like this. It's very tall, and well, each lot and each house is going to be different depending on where it's located. And now let's go and check on their computer or numbers. Remember, if you would like to invest in real estate, let me know. We have opportunities for residential and multifamily, well, commercial space. Okay, my friends, now that we are here in front of the computer, we can look in Google a mortgage calculator, and most of them are going to help you getting this idea or example of the monthly payment, because most of them are going to ask you for almost the same information. Remember, these are just examples. The real numbers will be with your mortgage broker. And now here, for the home price, this is the price of this home, because this home is already built and it's a home that the builder is selling right now. If you would like to build the same floor plan in another lot in the same subdivision, you can do it, and you can also even add some upgrades, and of course the price will change, but it will be kind of close, right? As a down payment, well, the down payment, of course, it changes depending on you, but it will depending on also on the loan. So in this example is 4%. The long term usually is 30 years. The interest rate change every day. So my example is 6.8%. For the property taxes, this is the property taxes for the colony, for this community. The home insurance will depend on which insurance you want to use, and my example is $900 per year. The PMI will be with your financial institute, and the HOA for the colony, it is $66.57. So that is around $800 per year. And the other costs are usually for the closing costs. Yeah, something that you would like to have in reserve. Usually the closing costs are 1% to 3% of the purchase price. In this case, it is less than 1%, because right now builders and sellers want you to come to the market and buy the properties they are selling. So because they want you to buy, they would like to help you paying the closing costs. And now on the other side, when you see that in the market everyone is buying a house, then it's like, okay, if you want to buy my house and we have a lot of people willing to buy this house, well, now you pay for those closing costs. So in that time, when everyone wants to buy a house, now you need to have more reserves there. Right now, I just put $2,000, and if we do calculate, the example is $2,346 dollars monthly payment. And yeah, that is the monthly payment, but at the same time the down payment, as an example, might be 15, maybe 15 $16,000. And also another thing that I would like to share is, remember, this is an idea that I got from a loan officer, but if you would like to have the professional advice, you can talk with your mortgage broker. But this idea that I got is like, when you have, for example, this says that the paid off time will be in January 2054. And of course, most of us, we would like to pay our house closer than the time and pay less interest. So what you can do, as an example, is like, you could, instead of paying 12, we pay monthly payments, and at the end in the year is 12 monthly payments. So instead of paying 12, you can pay an extra, so it will be 13 payments in a year. And if you feel like having $2,000 extra just to pay, like right that, and it's hard for you, you can also, maybe when you're doing your monthly payments, you can maybe do like this monthly price, you can divide it by 12, and if you divide it by 12, is close to $200. So if you pay this 2,300 plus $200, it will be 2,500 every month. So at the end, you will be more like closer to the 13th month, the extra month, so that way you can reduce the time and also the interest rates. And remember to consult with your mortgage broker. Okay, my friends, thank you so much for visiting the channel. And remember, if you have any questions about this home, the subdivision, well, let me know. My phone is 720-292-9541. My email is also here. I am a realtor here in Austin, and I'm also work all around Austin, Texas. And at the same time, if you also would like to see opportunities to invest in real estate, we have a team where we do fix and flips, and also we do investments in apartment buildings where you can invest as a limited partner. That means that you invest and you wait for your checks. Or maybe you can be a general partner where you would like to have more boots on the ground, and with your knowledge, you would like to give more value to the team. So stuff like that. We always have spots for people who would like to invest with us or work with us, or there are many opportunities here. Yeah, if you have any of those questions, please let me know. I'm here in Austin, Texas, and we are also doing meetups in Austin twice a month, where you can also meet more investors and more people, like mine, that they would like to grow the portfolio in real estate. So if you would like more information about it, please let me know, and that way I can send it to you. Okay, thank you so much for everything, and I hope you have a great day. Bye bye.